Hey guys, welcome to Adobe Masterclass, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can do a crop opening on your video. So this is what the video looks like before, and this is what the video looks like now. Awesome guys, so let's dive in. Welcome back guys, it's your boy K Show. Like I said earlier on, today we're going to be doing a crop opening like we've just seen here in Premiere Pro. So this is very simple to do and it's very easy. The Adobe Masterclass is a training that focuses on teaching you graphic design, video editing and motion graphics. So let's get down into this. So let me quickly delete all I have here. Delete the sequence. Okay, so right here I just have this video right here, and if I right click on it to create a new sequence from clip, I'm gonna have this. So you can see at the beginning,
what's the word?
There is no crop opening. Okay, to add the crop opening you need to go to effect and just look up crop. Look up crop in the effect and you drag and drop it on your video. Okay, so if I scroll down here in my effect control, if you can't find the effect control, go to window and you check on effect control. Okay, in effect control I can begin to play with the settings for the crop. Okay, and if I play with this left, you can see I can do the left. If I play with the top, I can do it from the top, from the right and from the bottom. So what I want to do now is to adjust the top and the bottom. So I'm going to set a keyframe for that top and bottom. Make sure your playhead is at the very beginning of your video, and I'm going to set the value for the top to 50, so that brings that halfway down, and I'm going to set the value for the bottom to what, 50, and that takes it all up. So you can see I can't see the video again. All I need to do is to press play, and depending on how long I want the crop opening to take place, I'm going to pause it right there. So let me press play now.
What's the word? And the word was...
So this is fine for me. So right here I'm going to set the next set of keyframes. So I'm going to go back to my top and change my top back to 0, and change my bottom, click on it and type 0 to change it back to 0. It's that simple guys, and we are done. If I hit play now, the magic happens.
What's the word? And the word was with God. And the word.
Awesome guys, it's amazing to have you guys here on this tutorial once again. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us everywhere on social media using the link in the description. If you also want to join any of our live training, you can use the link in the description to see if we have a center near you. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy K Show.